Hello guys, I'm Nikki and welcome to my channel. And if you are looking how to convert an image into the text, so you are on the right place and I am here to help you. So in these some cases we have to take the instant screenshot of like presentations of the text document file. Then we have to change it or the edit something into our image. So I will tell you how you can convert an image into the text. So let's make it easy. Okay, so as I have an image on my desktop, so let's open this, and that is the image. We have this text convolutional neural networks. Okay, so we will convert this image into the text, and we will no need to download any software except MS Word. Okay, we can just do that all into the MS Word. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so just open your MS Word. Let me open this. Okay, and then just select a blank document and then open or drag your image in the MS documents. So we have this image now. Just click on this image, then go to the format tab. From here just select the crop option and then select the text area of the image, and only select the text area, guys. Okay, not don't use the don't select the graphical area or the images. Just select only the text area, and then after that selecting your area, then click on crop. And now you know that it is now also still in the form of an image. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this file, and go to the file and save as. Okay, and then save it on the desktop. And okay, I will give it name to image to text. Okay, and change it format to PDF. Save as type to PDF, and then click on save. Now after that, just close this and click on don't save. Now you can see our PDF has been created on the desktop. Image to text. Okay, here you can see image to text. So how you can now it is still an image, and now it is in the form of the PDF. So how you can edit this text, change this image into the text. So let's go ahead again to the MS Word. Okay, and after that open this existed file. Click on the open tab, and then click on folders, then visit for desktop, and here select the file, PDF file that you have created, image to text. And now it will show an pop-up, that is the Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. We need our picture into a editable Word document. Okay, or our PDF. This may take a while. If your PDF document have the more elements or the text or the large, then it can take a while, and the resulting Word will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so might not look exactly like original PDF, and after that it will not represent or the previous or the original PDF. Okay, so just click on OK, and now our image has been converted into the text. You can see I can do everything with this text. I've get my text from the image. You can increase or decrease its size also. Okay, and you can do everything what you want with this, and you can also save it again as the PDF. Okay, and let me do something. Let me make it bold and also increase the size, and okay, reduce. Okay guys, so now you can convert an image into the text, and you can also convert an image that is captured or the by your phone, and you can also that is have a proper text image. Okay, so I hope the video is helpful for you and you got this method that is the very easy. So please like this video, share with your friends, and if you are new, so never miss an don't forget to subscribe for never miss an or any future updates. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. I will see you again in the next time.